What's the difference between specially and especially? I'm going to tell you, and then at the end of this video, we're going to have a very short quiz to make sure that you understand how to use them correctly. We use specially to say that something is done in a special way or for something special. Batman has a specially designed car. This means that his car was designed to have special features that normal cars do not have. This video was made specially for English learners. I'm using simple language and speaking clearly so that English learners can understand me easily. This house was specially built for people who use wheelchairs. It's not a normal house. It's a house that was built for a specific type of person. I baked these cookies specially for you. I added more chocolate chips than I usually do because I know how much you love chocolate. We usually use especially to say that we are focusing on one thing more than we are focusing on other things. This thing is greater or more special than the other things. My dog likes meat, especially beef. This means that she likes all types of meat, but the one that she likes the most is beef. Pedro likes sports, especially basketball. This means that he likes many sports, but he really likes basketball. I don't know why I'm so tired. I didn't go to bed especially late last night. It was a little bit late, but it wasn't much later than I usually go to bed. I want to thank you all for coming today, especially Maggie, who drove 6 hours to get here. This means that I want to thank everyone, but I really want to thank Maggie. I spend a lot of time on social media, especially Facebook. This means that I spend a lot of time on different social media platforms, but the one that I probably spend the most time on is Facebook. Okay, and now it's time for our quiz. I'm going to give you 3 sentences, and for each sentence, I want to see if you know which word is the correct word for that sentence, specially or especially. My sister spends a lot of money on cosmetics. Lipstick. Because we are saying that the amount of money that she spends on lipstick is greater than the amount of money that she spends on other cosmetics, if you said especially, you are correct. His dog is trained to bring him his medicine. The dog received special training for a special purpose, so if you said specially, you are correct. She always works hard, but she works hard when she knows that there is a bonus. Because we know that she always works hard, but we are focusing on one situation in which she works harder than normal, if you said especially, you are correct. And before we finish this video, I also want to say that there are some situations in which you could use either word. My goal today is just to help you see the main differences in how most people usually use them. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.